Hey everybody, welcome to my tech channel. And today I have a story to tell. Last week, Windows updated without me asking it to. And after the update, it completely wiped out my Bluestacks installation. Don't know what was going on there. Basically, what was happening is in here, if you go to devices, no phone. It was not reading a phone. It would keep going over and over and over and finally came up and said, no, we can't pull that profile. And it also got rid of the BlueStacks virtual network card. So I installed it on my laptop. Actually, it was already installed on my laptop, and I did the updates, and I've been playing on my laptop. But I'm not so satisfied with that. I think I'd rather be back on the PC. A lot quicker and a lot better. So how do I do that without creating transfer numbers? Well, let me show you how it's done. First thing you'll want to do is download RAR from the Play Store. And of course, have a known good account that you want to transfer. This is the main account on my laptop. So once you have RAR downloaded, open her up, and you want to go to Android. You want to go to Data, and you want to click all of this, that home S. A lot of times people will say, "Oh, pick a few of these weird numbers and overwrite." I just pick the whole bloody thing. And then you hit the plus sign up here, and we're not going to set the password or anything. We're going to go back here and we're going to put it in a folder, and I'm going to put it in a download folder, and then you just click folder only and hit OK, and it will start the backup. This is no excuse for not having a transfer number. Before I did this today, I made sure to get myself a transfer number in case this gets screwed up or it just doesn't work. It's a bit flaky, but we'll let this ride, and I'll be back once this is done. Okay, that's done. So now what do we do? What we're going to do is we're going to close RAR like this, so. And we are going to, I want to make sure my USB drive is clean that's in there. That's in here, let's see. So we can get rid of that. It was a test. Okay, so that's clean. Now what we'll do is we will go into System Apps, Media Manager. We're going to explore. It was in the download file folder, wasn't it? There we go. Don't click it, or it'll just open it. Click Export to Windows, select all, export, and when it comes up, we'll be putting it on that USB drive. So let's just slide down to here. And it's there, but it's not there yet. This is what I mean, is that even though it looks like there's an archive on here, there's not. It's going to take about 10 minutes for it to completely get everything over. So we're going to go and do something real quick, and I'll be back to check it. Okay, that should be all there now. Let's have a look at it. Seems everything is there. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to move it on to, oh, it is on the USB stick already. Right, we just did that, didn't we? So let's eject it. There we go. Now we'll plug it into the PC. And let's go over to the PC. Okay, so yeah, we're on the main account. Show you how I work this. We're going to clear the storage and the cache. So this is like a fresh install now. We're going to open the game and we'll just give it a few seconds to get to the main screen. It's going to start downloading the update, which we won't need because that update is on our USB stick. Okay, we do have to build the directory structure. So we're going to do begin data update. I usually wait till these screens go by. And then I close the game. Now we go to our system apps. We go to our media manager and we're going to import from Windows. But before we do that, let's get rid of something first. There we go. There we go. Import from Windows. And let it do its thing. So while it's importing, I'll tell you why I do this. Back in 2020 or 2021, when Summer Kiara and Romulus were all screwed up and they had to fix them, something to do with their hit power or whatever. Came home on a Friday night and lo and behold, I could not get into Bluestacks. It could have been the 64-bit version, it's 32-bit version, Bluestacks 4, Bluestacks 3, I don't know. But in order to get my game back, because I didn't have any transfer codes, I had to dig around, and I discovered that by doing this, I could basically back it up and use that backup to make a game work. So now that we got that done, we can go out here. Now we go into RAR. Do not click from here. It won't work. RAR just crashes. So we're going to close that. Go into RAR. The shared folder is in DCIM. There's the game. We're going to go like that, and we're going to test the archive out. Make sure they're good. Beautiful. No errors found. So now we're going to hit the arrow for extraction. And to extract it, we're going to browse, and we're going to go to Android, Data, and we're going to overwrite all of this. So we're going to hit OK. Ask before overwrite should remain on. Leave everything else off and hit OK. Hit replace all. We're now overwriting and completing that massive download that I wanted to do. Okay, there we go. Let's try the game out. Again, this is running with just a backup, no transfer number. Cross the fingers, it'll work. What we're looking for is a user ID here. There it is. Sorry, I'm like booked. I have no slots. Maybe by the time you watch this, I'll have some slots free. Tap the screen. touch the screen, pick your country, hit confirm, hit agree. There we go. Level 151. Same quartz, same shards, or whatever you want to call them. I'm set to play on my PC. And when I shut this off, and go over to the laptop, and go here. Let me grab the right mouse. Clear it all. Click that. There's the ID. Now, I don't know if I'm doing this at my own peril. I believe that they know about this way of backing up. I haven't heard any word that they're got difficulties with it. But yeah, we're on the laptop now, and I can bring this with me. Again, I still have transfer codes in case anything gets messed up. But this is the main account on the laptop now. Again, this will work with Bluestacks. I don't know if it'll work with the other one. I can't remember the name of it now. And once this is done, you can basically play on both machines, but don't run them together. Make sure that when you're playing, you have at least one machine. I'll show you here. Video capture device. Oh my God, too many mice. That it's closed. Both this one and this one I did today. I had problems with this one because the archive kept going bad, but I realized that I wasn't leaving the USB stick in long enough. So there you go. It's up to you if you want to do this. Like again, I don't know if it's gray area, but hey, even if you're using it just to back up one account, it saves a lot of time, but always remember, have a transfer number. Don't forget, always have a good transfer number. I don't want to hear from you. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope everybody has a great day.